What is up, guys? I am the Night Wolf Dude, and this is the third part to my Red Steel 2 walkthrough. I am straightening you out right now, so hold on. You might not see game pause, so here we go. We left off when I was in the super high-tech dojo with yin yangs in it, with money. Let's go. Train with Cheyenne. Can't get over the fact that there's so high-tech doors. I'm using a... What's that? Quickly in combat, huh? That's a trash shield. I want to look at that old guy. I mean, he said I had a special katana. Well, whatever. I'll just see what it says. Woo! There's a target on his back. I want to kill him. Oh, now I can hit the shield. Hey, old guy, you said I had a special katana, like a Kora katana or something like that. Sword, I think. This guy's a stalker. He keeps on following me. Yay! You go fast, okay? Give me moolah! Give me money! My money! Give me my money! Money! Yeah, 500. 500 money. I need some ammo. Jin!
Here's a transmit from Judd. Caldera Sheriff.
Judd?
Anyone who's listening, this is Jack Lieutenant Jack. Looting and burning
Really?
in the upper
That's
city.
convenient. That's very
Federal gold.
convenient. A guy named Jack, and the gang is named Jackals. Must be the leader or something then. But I do know this game called Payan or something. Pain, I think. Give me my money! My money! Give me my ammo! I said give me my ammo! I'm about to pull out my soul. No, it's not, you sucker! Humans, yes! Ammo! Give me ammo! You have a revolver, use it! Or I'll kill you!
Kill the Kusengari!
Ooh, human shield! Human shield, human shield! Shoot him now! No. Shoot. Shoot it. Shoot him now. Woo! Human shield. So let's wait for it. Take him out. Woo! I kill you. Give me my ammo. I got some money. Okay, Jax. I know you're a big guy, so here goes nothing. Hurry-ya! Wait, is that him? Is that him? Is that it? Is that it?
I can't be beat.
Apparently you can be beat. 3,500 bones, baby. I'm gonna cut you wooden in half. Woo! First your head, now your body. Unleash some ownage. How does he climb like that? Give me my ammo. I want my ammo back. I gotta pause it. Thanks for watching. I am the Nightwolf Dude. Stay tuned for the 4th part. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and comment. I leave you with a game paused. Peace out.